Hi friends, today I am going to share how to recover disabled Instagram account. Many of the people try to log in their account. You may get disabled account warning. In this situation, any solution is there? Yes, I have same issue happened and I solved it. Now you try to log in your Instagram account. You may receive the error message, you violating terms and condition, you violating policy. This type of message you cannot log in and it showing the error. As you can see, my Instagram account was deactivated. This email I received from Instagram team. Here is the solution how you can solve this. All the step I will discuss later. We need to follow each and every step mentioned here. This happened in the month of February 1 and I submitted my identity. Same they mentioned in the email. So after I submitted, the month of February 3rd, which means 3 days. After 3 days, my Instagram account reactivated. I'm sharing in the description 2 links. You can use any of the link to recover your disabled Instagram account. So I am using the second link. You can directly go from my descriptions area. Before going for the step, just read the details. Here I choose my personal account, not business. So clearly mention your name. After that, your Instagram username. So this is very important. Also enter your email address which you are using for Instagram account. After that, your country where you are from. Now I am here in UAE, I mentioned that, and after that submit. So after you submit, you will receive the email. After that, you follow the email instruction. Once you receive the email, you get 5-digit code. This code you need to write in the paper, also your full name and username. You need to hold this paper in your hand with entire face. Take the picture. Make sure this picture is clear, not blurred. Also, you need to save this in the JPG format. The email you receive, you need to reply back with this picture, and Instagram team will verify your identity. If this is success, you will receive the confirmation mail after 3 days.